Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to start uh, chapter number 7. Already we have started, and I explain you how to do addition and subtraction sum, addition sum and subtraction sum. I hope all of you have completed question number 6 and 7. Okay, addition and 6 was for addition, 7 of subtraction. I hope everybody completed their homework. So now question number 8, 9, 10 we will do later. First of all, I am going to start sum number 11. I am going to read from here. Okay, Amisha drank 250 milliliter water from 1 liter bottle of water and her friend drank 150 milliliter water. How much water is left in the bottle? Now children, Amisha drank 250 milliliter water from how to solve? Okay, Amisha drank. Solution of question number. Just wait children, I am going to open your book. Amisha drank. Solution. I'm going to open another book, okay, so that I will be able to explain you better way. Sometimes picture disappear. Let me open the book also. Yes. Now I will read the statement from my book. Now question number 1 of main question 11, solution 1. Amisha drank. How much water children? 250 milliliter. And her friend drank 150 milliliter. Total water used. How much? 0, 400 milliliter after adding. Now, how much quantity of water in bottle was? Okay. Water in the bottle. How much it was? 1 liter. That is equal to 1000 milliliter. Water used up. कितना यूज हुआ? That is 600 milliliter. Water left. Children, for left what we do? We do subtraction. That is 400 milliliter. That will be, sorry, 400 it was used up. And what is left? 600 milliliter. I hope you understood. Now I am going to start reading question number 2 of main question number 11. Okay. Mohan runs a tea stall. He uses, Mohan runs a tea stall. He uses 20 milliliter milk for making 1 cup of tea. Then how much milk is needed for 100 cups of tea? Children, now everybody is knowing that for 1 cup of tea, if tea stall, tea maker demands 20 milliliter. Okay, that means for how many cups they ask? 100. For 100, the quantity will be more. For more, we always, what we do? We always multiply. Okay, so here, sum number 2, solution. Milk needed. Milk is needed for 1 cup tea. That is equal to 20 milliliter. Now, milk is needed for how many? 100 cups of tea. That will be 100 into 20. That will be 2000 milliliter. And 2000 milliliter is equal to 2000 divided by 1000. That is 2 liter. So answer is 2 liters. I hope you understood, children. Now we are going to start question number 3rd. I am going to read question number 3rd. Dhara's mother was ill. The doctor gave Dhara's a bottle with 20 milliliter of medicine. The grandmother has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliter of medicine does she have to take every morning? Okay, this is your question. Once again, you see, doctor gave Dharas a bottle with 200 milliliter. और हर रोज कितना लेना है उसको, ये हमें फाइंड करना है. और 10 days तक मेडिसिन यूज करनी है. ओके, हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd. Third sum solution. Now, total medicine has to take in 10 days. How much quantity? 200 milliliter. Then medicine, therefore medicine has to take in 1 day. 1 day, that means less. Less means divide. Okay, so that will be, if you will divide 10, 20 is a 200. 20 milliliter medicine should be taken every day. So answer will be 20 milliliter. Same way, children, sum number 4, I am going to read. Mayank buys 6 tokens every day from dairy. If 1 token is used for half liter of milk, then how much milk does Mayank buy every day? Okay, so half liter means 500 milliliter. First of all, Solution. Sum number 4. 1 token is equal to half liter. Half liter means half liter, that is 500 milliliter. Half of 1000 is 500. Okay, then every day they are using 6 tokens. 6 tokens. Here if 1 token, therefore 6 tokens is equal to, will carry more liters. For more we will multiply. Okay, so for 6 tokens, that will be, what you will get? 3000 milliliter. But if the answer is going to come more than 1000 milliliter, that means you have to convert into liters. Okay, 3000 milliliter is equal to 3000 divided by 1000, zero zeros cut, that is 3 liter. Therefore answer for every day, then how much milk does Mayank buy every day? Answer is Mayank buys 3 liter milk every day. I hope children you understood the sums. So I can expect from you all the sums you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, sorry, in your workbook. Okay, I am showing you once again. This is your first question. You see here, other part of first question. Then this one is your second sum. This one is your third one. And this one fourth sum. I hope you understood. So you complete at home in your work.